Today on the Pathfinder, we're going to throw in some larger coil spring boosters. So to get some kind of measurement on how much this lifts, we're going to hook our little measuring tape to the wheel there and say, alright, so we're at about 10.5 inches on that side. And fast. Alright, hold the camera. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. About 9.5 inches and 9. I don't know. The driveway is not level, but you get the idea. Here's our lovely boosters we're going to throw in. Now for safety, we have wheel chocks and ratchet straps. That's going to do it for our safety. But we don't have a spring compressor, so we're going to see what we can do with the ratchet strap. So I'm thinking I'm going to jack it up, ratchet strap the top of the spring to the axle, let it down, and see if I can get the spring booster in the top like I did previously with the shorter boosters. See if we can hone this art just a hair. Don't try this at home, because the first thing that happened was the ratchet strap broke when I let the jack down and the whole axle fell down. I disconnected the sway bar in link, the lateral link, and the shock for maximum droop, and now it's just stretching the crap out of the emergency brake line. So that's no good. So now we're going to see if our Husky ratchet strap has better luck. Don't try this at home. This is stupid, very dangerous. Well, that seems to be doing the trick so far. Our old spring seat is all messed up. That's nope. So these springs, boosters, I don't think they're supposed to be used as perches like I'm using on top of the spring. I think they're supposed to just go between coils. So this is super not right. So you can see this one's a bigger diameter than this one. I cut a section out of the middle and then made holes and then zip tied it together. This was starting to get all wonky and split open on top of the spring, causing the rear end to sag. That was the little one. We're switching up to the big one. So hopefully these will hold up better since I actually used the zip ties that they came with. This is so ghetto. So here we're going to point out a few things. This Pathfinder was equipped with adjustable shocks. There's a little switch inside the cab that lets you change from comfort to sport mode. Comfort's pretty good for off-roading. I don't know about sport, but I thought that was a nice little shot. Across the way there, you can see our old spring isolator and how it's messing up and splitting. So hopefully these new ones, which are a little thicker, don't do the same, though they probably will. And this is not going to be a long-term solution. I'm just gonna have to pay for lift coils. Oh well. These suck. The whole thing split. These do not stand abuse worth a crap. I don't even want to put these back on. I just want to leave the rear end stock. 0 out of 10. Do not recommend. Get a video of the finished product. We've got coil springs, boosters seated on top of the springs, and it's not bad at all. This is pretty. Hopefully we'll have better luck with these quote heavy duty ones than we did the regular, because those sucked and didn't last long. I'll have to check these in a week or two and see how they're holding up. Now our little experiment isn't complete without some technical data, now that we've got everything back together. So let's put this on the wheel lip, measure from the same place. We got about 11 and... Come on, phone, focus. Fuck. Whatever, 11 and 5/8 inches. And then 10 and 5/8 inches Alright, both sides measure the same, which is about 10 3/4 inches. So I think we're about an inch higher than we were before. And now the truck is at least not as bad reverse raked. The fender gap is 1 inch greater in the front than it is the rear, but this is tolerable. So this is just a torsion bar crank in the front and those spring spacers in the rear.